Hello everyone, we are going to talk about the risky weight process equipment type. Now we are going to talk about, for example, one of them, the vessel type, or we can call it closed tank type. It's a process structured just like this. The step 1. The vessel has the up vessel and the lower vessel. And we put a wafer in. Step 2. The wafer close, the vessel close. And sealed. Closed and sealed. We supply chemical liquid in to the vessel and let the vessel process with the wafer. Step 3. We drain the chemical out and we use the IPA spray by the nitrogen gas to dry the wafer, to a dry wafer process. As we talked about before, the IPA vapor dry and the Mahogany dry function is similar with Mahogany dry, a low temperature IPA vapor. After drying, the last step, the vessel opened and the wafer can move out. I have to say that, after all, in the sealed vessel and the full chemical, it can make the weight process a little bit perfectly. In some case, in some process. But this structure is very risky. Now we are going to say that the risky part. The last step, the fourth step, we are going to open the vessel, open fail. Usually fill with the cylinder assembly each. The cylinder is powered by the air. Use the air force to move the cylinder to make the up vessel open. But this cylinder fail, vessel cannot be opened. Or there has the sensor any kind of sensors to detect the sensor out of control or false alarm. Due to it can be failed to open the vessel due to cylinder fail or sensor fail or any alarm. As we know, and we talk about it, the vessel can be opened could cause process overtime. Process overtime is the worst situation for wet process. We talked about before. It may cause chemical damage to the wafer because over time, too long time, the watermark, the drying process not completely or wafer physical damage, the open fail. We got to open it manually or bypass some sensor. Even use the mankind force to force it to open to get the wafer out. It may cause wafer physical damage. So, due to that, we don't want to have the seal with open close movement tank. We don't want to eat. We don't want to seal or open close movement chemical tank. It take a risk if you have this equipment. Okay, this is a vessel type risky wet process equipment. Okay, let's see you next time.